Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location.
County in southeastern North Carolina, Northern Midland County in northeastern South Carolina, northeastern Marlborough County in northeastern South Carolina until 5:45 p.m. At 4:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southeast of Hoffman to near Elrod, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Bennettsville, Pembroke, Fairmont, Maxton, McCall, Rowland, Clio, Hammer, Reman, south of the border, Wakulla, Purvis, Prospect, Elrod, McDonald, Tatum, and Rainham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for